I feel like in the movie Fast and Furious. I love it. I absolutely love it. So, I actually never did a night drive, right? Never here in the Philippines. So, let's change that. Let's do a night drive in Manila. And we are ready to go! Nice, nice, nice! Nice. Wow, look at this bike, I'm jealous! Welcome to Manila at night! Capital city. Wow, that's crazy. Poblacion. As always, I don't know how to pronounce it, but looks like it's like the main bar street, bar hopping street. Didn't go to the right places, so I guess that's why I didn't like it. But if you go to the right places, I guess it's like really nice. I mean, okay, I can understand why people live here, let's say it like that. less busy. And it's amazing like that. Doesn't feel like I'm in Manila anymore. Wow. Look at the skyline of Manila. Nice. Bye bye Makati. We're somewhere else. I don't know where. Wow, I really enjoy just follow somebody and not look at Google Maps all the time. Manila is fun. Wow. I didn't think a city like Manila would make me happy, but I'm really happy right now. I really enjoy this ride. And I'm not anxious. That's really rare. I agree. he has the perfect mix of taking care on the road but still go fast. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh wow. Wow. Looks a little bit like Italy or Paris right now. Look at this. Okay, that's elite as well. If I just look at the cars around, I think that's one of the rich kids areas or something like that. I don't know. It looks like. Okay, Mark, I'm ready for the ghetto. That I don't have the stronger bike, man, I would go crazy, really, because it's really fun to drive fast. Oh, you have to go over? No problem, I will leave you, it's okay. In the movie Fast and Furious.
That sound
Shadows of los nuevos de 2020, los vacilones le ganan, que todo lo nuevo en el género. Vacilón, ella lo que quiere vacilón, vacilón, ella lo que quiere vacilón, vacilón, ella lo que quiere vacilón, vacilón.
pee break. In the base here. Probably you not on the GoPro. I think I peed on my bed. Because it's 2 a.m. in the morning.
Surreal Park. Hier steckt alles große Museum. Große Museen sind alle hier und die sind wunderbar. Verteidigungswand von den Spaniern von vor Hunderten von Jahren haben sie eine ganze Wand um diese alte Stadt hier gebaut.
Still from the Spanish people here. Impressive, huh? Not the best road for my trucks. because it's 3 a.m. We just arrived back home, and yeah, who else? No. But who is driving a motorcycle in the night when the streets are empty? I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. And I will go to sleep now.